In today's video, I'm going to show how to wind bobbin thread. So first, let's take the top thread and place it over here in this direction. The thread should be going towards the left side. And then you see a 1 here and a dotted line that is crossed over. So first, move it on the left side and then make a loop. Let me show you again. Go on the left side of this round thing and then make a loop here, and then take the bobbin and wind the thread manually a few times, maybe 4 or 5 times, and then place the bobbin over the shaft, bobbin shaft, press it like this, and then move towards your right. You'll hear that click sound, and then slowly press the presser foot. Begin pressing the presser foot slowly first. Once you see that the thread is winding correctly, you can press harder, then it will start winding faster. And once the thread is completely wound, the machine will stop by itself. So let's see. So once the machine stops, you can cut the thread here. Just be mindful that the thread is going over the bobbin while you're placing it to a shaft. Sometimes the thread may go on the shaft itself, and then you'll have to manually remove it. Just be careful about that. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.